तो दिखाई दे रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So already we discussed about the IEC approaches and model as well as the aim of health education, approaches of health education, model of health education, principle also already were completed. Now today we will discuss about the communication. Okay. So in the communication, the word communication is derived from the Latin word communicare, which means to participate, to inform or impart. The communication can be regardless as two-way process of exchanging of sharpening ideas, feeling and the information. So in the communication process, we are sharing our ideas, our feeling, our knowledge and the information by one-way or two-way communication. Okay. So this is the process of communication. Already this process of communication we will cover in first unit. Okay. So in the process of communication is the first one is the source, then encoding, channel, decoding and receiver. So can anyone explain this process of the communication? Anyone? Because already we are learned in the first unit this one, no? Ujala,
Yes, ma'am.
explain the process of communication.
मैम, प्रोसेस ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन में ये होता है कि मतलब सबसे पहले इसमें हमारा सोर्स आता है, मतलब सोर्स का मतलब है जहां से कम्युनिकेशन स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो वो सोर्स होगा। और उसके बाद फिर इनकोडिंग में हमारा मैसेज आएगा, जो कि मैसेज हम ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं। उसमें हमारा कुछ भी हो सकता है, साइन, सिंबल या कोई भी लैंग्वेज वगैरह, तो वो इनकोडिंग में आएगा। फिर चैनल का मतलब वो किसके थ्रू वो हो रहा है, मतलब भेजा जा रहा है। और डिकोडिंग का मतलब है कि वो उसके रिसीवर के पास पहुंच गया है, मतलब डिकोडिंग में फीडबैक भी बोल सकते हैं। और रिसीवर वो है जिसके पास,
फीडबैक कैसे बोलेंगे?
मैम डिकोडिंग का मतलब ये है कि द मैसेज विच इज परसीव्ड बाय द रिसीवर।
ओके, देन
और रिसीवर हमारा वो पर्सन होता है जो मैसेज को रिसीव कर।
एंड देन गिव द फीडबैक, राइट?
हाँ, यस।
So feedback is not a decoding. So any doubt in the process of communication? Any doubt, student? I'm asking to all of you. Second year and want to explain. You want an explanation on the process of communication, or shall I move forward? Tell me why you guys. What's the problem, second years? सेकेंड ईयर आवाज आ रही है?
यस मैम।
तो बोलो आगे, एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए आपको या फिर आई हैव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड? जल्दी बताओ। Move forward. Where is other students? Shall I put your absence to all of you? Types of communication: one-way communication, two-way communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, formal and informal communication, visual communication, telecommunication, and the internet. So already I'll cover all these communication in a previous unit, right? If you need any explanation, you tell. Okay, otherwise I will move forward only. Barrier of the communication, the physiological barrier, then linguistic barrier, psychological barrier, organizational barrier, environmental barrier, and the cultural barrier. So these many barriers are the interfering the communication. Communication means when you are providing any kind of the message or information to the public. Now the function of the health communication. So when we are communicating in the health side, okay, when we are communicating in the health to provide the awareness to the people. So what is your function? To provide the information. Okay, you have to provide the updated information to the public so that they have to get the information regarding the new policies, okay, regarding the new facilities which are provided by the government or the health department. Now the motivation. Okay, you have to, through the communication, we have to motivate the people toward their health. We have to educate to the people, okay, so that we have to upgrade their knowledge regarding the particular disease condition and regarding the need of the person. Okay, persuasion. We have to persuade the people. Then the counseling. We have to counsel the people regarding what? On the basis of their need regarding the any kind of disease condition. For example, HIV counseling, tuberculosis counseling, genetic counseling, antenatal visiting counseling. Then rising morals. So we have to update the morals also, okay, by providing the right way through the communications, health development. So direct or indirect way through the through the communication, we have to develop the health of the people. Then the health organization. Health health organization means just say the फोन को क्या हो गया स्क्रीन दिखाई दे रही है आपको
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the health organization, in the health organization, whatever the goal, the policy and the standard of the health organization, we have to initiate in the health sector and providing the awareness to the peoples. Okay, whatever the policy which are making for the development of the health of the peoples. Okay, so the communication is the important. The function of the health communication is to educate the people, to motivate the people, to persuasions, counseling, raising the morals, health development, health organization goal. We have to achieve the organization goal, and as well as we have to provide the information regarding the particular things, regarding the need, regarding the any kind of problems. Okay. Now the audio-visual aids. So for that, we have to use a different kind of audio-visual aids. We will cover this audio-visual unit in the last unit. Okay, so in the auditory aids, visual aids, no requiring the projector, combined AV-aids. Okay, so you have to use these AV-aids according to your requirement, according to your topic, and according to the label of the community also. As I told you yesterday, if you teach provide the health education to the illiterate peoples, okay, so always you have to use the visual aid. Okay, and if you are counseling the person, you can use the auditory aids like that, and you can use also the both the things, audio and visual aids, like PPT से आप देख सकते हो, या टेलीविजन के थ्रू शो कर सकते हो, या फिर आप मास मीडिया कम्युनिकेशन के थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो. Okay, so according to the label, according to the area, and according to the purpose, according to the topic, we have to use the AV aids. Okay, now method is the health communication. So there are the different methods of the health communications, like the individual approach. Individual approach means when you are providing information to the particular individual, like you're posted in the hospital where the
whether you have assigned 6 patients. So in the 6 patient, according to the disease condition, you have to educate. You have to means find out means whatever they have the query regarding their health. You have to sort out these many problems, these many queries, okay, and provide the actual knowledge regarding their health conditions. So this is the individual approach, okay, not only in the hospital side, also in a community side. If whenever you're visiting in the family visit, okay, during the family visit, you have to find out the individual need. On the basis of the individual need, you have to educate the particular individual person. Now the group approach in the sense, whenever you have to counsel the group regarding the particular thing, when you have to motivate the people toward to utilize the health facilities, because especially in the rural area, the people are not utilizing the proper amount of health facility which are provided by the government, even the free of cost also, because they having so many reasons. So you have to find out the what are the reasons and what are the barriers due to of that they are influencing their utilizations. So that time you have to select the group approach, okay, and through the group approach you have to communicate with the group, counsel the group, motivate the group, so that you have to so that they have to utilize the health facilities. Mass approaches means in a large group you have to provide the health informations, okay. Now the majors for the successful communication. The first one is the clarity of the thought with a simple and understandable language. So whenever you are providing any kind of the information, it should not be a complex word like that. Okay, always you have to use a simple and understanding language. And sometimes, especially in the typical areas where the people are not understanding, even though the Hindi also. So where we are using the translated person who are translate to their tongue language, okay, so that we have to provide the proper information to that particular areas. Okay, use two-way communication. Okay, the two-way communication, that means the both the participant, you and also your group, you and also your individual, you and your also your mass media. Okay, means mass yani ki large number of the group. The both are communicating, the both are clarify their doubts. You have to provide the information to the public. If they having any doubt, you have to means clear out all these doubts. Okay, then usefulness of the health message, always you have to provide the useful health message to the public. Okay, the proper use of the audio visual aids, gesture, word, and the picture. So according to the topic, you have to select the in which audio visual aid you have to use in your health education according to the label of understanding label of the peoples. Okay, जिनको कि आप health education provide कर रहे हो. Credibility and the genuineness of communication. So whenever you have to provide the communication, whenever you have to communicate with the peoples, okay, so always in a very polite manner, or should not be the panic. And if they are again question clarify their doubt, you should be provide each and every answer of the questions. Topic for the health education according to the requirement, feeling, belief, experience of the peoples. Okay, sometimes we will fail to achieve the goal. Why? Because we are not actually find out the what is the problem, what is the need. Okay, so whenever we are providing the health education to the public, first we will find out the need of the peoples, and on the basis of the need only we have to provide the health education. Okay, then the latest and the reliable information. So latest and reliable information means the latest project of the government which are providing the health facility to the peoples. Okay, and the latest information regarding the health, so that the people are utilizing these health facilities. The correct medium or the method of communication, you have to select the medium and the method of communication so that the large number of the people are covered by these communication, especially whenever you have to spread the information regarding the policies and regarding the utilization of the health facilities. Okay, because every person should know about these many facilities, so that time you have to use the correct method of the communication. For example, we have to advertise by the televisions. Okay, because it is very typical to provide the door to door information, so this is important. According to the area, according to the label of the peoples, we have to choose the correct method of the communication. Appropriate attention to the verbal as well as the non-verbal. Okay, so whenever you have talked with the peoples, you have to means maintain your body language. Okay, this is your the non-verbal communications. And also you have to be means whenever you have to talk with the peoples, and when you have to communicate with the peoples, use the appropriate word and the word which are create the attention toward the topic. ओके अंडरस्टूड. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम किसी कम्युनिटी में बात कर रहे हैं एंड इफ वी आर डायरेक्टली गो टू द टॉपिक देन द पीपल आर नॉट इंटरेस्टिंग. फर्स्ट यू विल अंडरस्टूड देयर नीड, देयर मीन्स वट एवर द प्रॉब्लम्स दे हैविंग. ओके, आप उनसे बात करो, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द हेल्थ एजुकेशन. जैसे कि आप हाइपरटेंशन की बात कर रहे हो, ठीक है, तो आपने हाइपरटेंशन के रिगार्डिंग उनसे पूछा कि आप में से कितने लोगों को हाइपरटेंशन हुआ है, या कि ये सिम्टम्स कितने लोगों में होते हैं, ठीक है, आप ऐसा होता है तो उसके लिए क्या करते हैं. देन आफ्टरवर्ड यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द हेल्थ एजुकेशन. तो उससे क्या होगा, इंटरेक्शंस होगा, अटेंशन क्रिएट होगा. ओके, सबको कम्युनिकेशन कैसा होना चाहिए, क्रिएटिंग अटेंशन. Okay. Now the increase the communication skill by be confident in your ability to relate people. Okay, so always be a confident whenever you are providing the health education to the peoples. Be honest with your feeling. So whatever means information you are providing to the public, it should be clear, okay, and true. Be sensitive to the need of the others. So you have to, this is very important. Whenever we have to find out the need of the people, we should listen first rather than to providing direct any kind of the information. We should listen first, so that first we have to evaluate the what kind of need they have. Okay, then be consistent and the know yourself. Then recognize symptoms of the anxiety related, the recognized symptoms in the anxiety, that means anxiety related to the disease conditions. So you have to find out the fear and anxiety level of the peoples. Just for example, when you are using the individual approaches and the person or the patient having any kind of anxiety and fear regarding their procedure, because she don't have a, and she or he having a lack of knowledge regarding the procedure. So that time first you have to evaluate, and then you have to provide the knowledge. Okay, recognize the differences. So you have to recognize the differences also in between, because each individual is different from the another individual. Okay, so you have to recognize the difference between the group, the individual, and the mass. Recognize and evaluate your action and the response. So you have to take the feedback from the group also. Be careful in the non-verbal communications. Okay, so should not showing the any kind of the attitude to the peoples, like you are providing the health education, that is your job and that's it. No, not like that. You have to provide the proper health education with the in a very polite way, in to maintain the IPR, good IPR with the community. Okay, understood. Now the step for the health education program is the need assessment. First you have to find out the need, then the content, then the process, and the evaluations. Okay, so first you have to find out the need of the patient, or the need of the individual, need of the group, need of the community. Then what are the content you have to prepare for that particular need fulfillment. You have to collect content in the sense what kind of the information you have to provide, how you have to provide, what medias or the ABAs you have to use for the communications. Okay, then you have to process this intervention among the peoples, and evaluation should be taken from the feedback process. Okay, so these are the process, these are the step of the health education program. Now the process of the health education. The process of the health education is giving the information, the questions, contracting, demonstration, and the return demonstration, environmental curing, group norms, and the system change. Okay, so process of the health education. In the process of the health educations, first you have to provide the informations. Okay, and also you have to get the data regarding the information. through your health education. For example, you are providing the health education to the peoples, and during the time you have to get the need of the people. So how you will find out the need when you are questionizing to the peoples how you are feeling like that, when you having the dizziness and you having feeling of faintness, what you have to do for that, what kind of home remedies you have to apply for that. Okay, so all this information you have to collect from the public. Then the contracting, you have to contract with people's demonstrating and written demonstration. Then you have to demonstrate to the people's what is the correct thing they have to do for prevention of this particular disease conditions. And then you have to get the re-demonstration. For example, yesterday I'll give you one example like a Kegel exercises. Okay, the women who are suffering from the incontinence or urine more than 45 of the age. Okay, so first you have to find out the reason of the incontinence of the urine. You have to questionize, you have to contract with that. Then you have to demonstrate, you have to explain also regarding the Kegel exercises in the theoretical manner. So that theoretical, what is the importance of the Kegel exercises, how you have to do. Then you have to demonstrate how you have to do the Kegel exercises. Okay, and you have to take the re-demonstration from the peoples. Okay, so that you have to show like that कि just जो भी आपके peoples हैं वो आप correct way में Kegel exercise कर रहे हैं. Okay, environmental curing, so whatever the environmental barriers, you have to find out these barriers so that the peoples should follow these procedures. The group norms. Okay, so you have to maintain the group norms and the system change. On the basis of these things, you have to change the system. How you will change the system? When, जैसे for example, आपने हेल्थ एजुकेशन दिया, इंफॉर्मेशन दिया Kegel एक्सरसाइजेस के लिए कि कितनी फीमेल्स को इनकॉन्टिनेंस ऑफ यूरिन होता है, फिर आपने उनसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किया, आपने डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिया, रीडेमोन्स्ट्रेशन उनसे लिया, जो भी इन्वायरमेंटल फेजेस उनमें हैं, ठीक है, जैसे कि आप कह सकते हो they are means being a female, they're having a more household burden because of the family burdens. Okay, तो उसके लिए वो क्या कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से टाइम निकालना है, कितने टाइम ड्यूरेशन के लिए उन्हें करना है, ठीक है, कहाँ पे उन्हें, ये सारी चीजें आपको इन्फॉर्म करनी है. ठीक है, एंड ग्रुप नॉर्म्स, यू हैव टू मेक सम नॉर्म्स लाइक दैट कि for more than 45 of the year जो women हैं, they have suffering, these many women are suffering from incontinence of urine, and we have to provide the education to the people. And on the basis of the feedback, how many women are cured these condition, and then we have to change the system like that. We have to initiate the 40 and 45-year also the postnatal mother to do the Kegel exercises, so that in the future we have to prevent the incontinence of urine. Okay, so now next is a IEC, okay, information education communication strategies. So what are the strategies we have to follow? Planning strategies, implementing strategies, monitoring and evaluation strategies. Okay, planning strategies. But we have to plan. So on the basis of the need, we have to plan one health education, implementing strategies. In the health education, only we have to provide the theoretical basis education, or we have to demonstrate some kind of procedure to the public. Okay, so it comes under the implementing strategies. That monitoring, we have to monitor it, like how much people are following these strategies, or whatever the rules and the regulation, the procedure you have to teach them. Okay, and what kind of the feedback you have to get from the public, like negative feedback, positive feedback, how many people's having a means how many people are get over the condition of their get over the condition their disease conditions. ठीक है जी, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमने Kegel एक्सरसाइज के लिए तो कितनी वुमेन्स को Kegel एक्सरसाइज 15 दिन की Kegel एक्सरसाइज या 1 मंथ की Kegel एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद उनके जो इनकॉन्टिनेंस ऑफ यूरिन है उसमें उनमें रिडक्शन हो गया है. ठीक है, इनकॉन्टिनेंस ऑफ यूरिन होना उन्हें बंद हो गया है. सो यू हैव टू गेट द इवैल्यूएशन आल्सो दैट. Okay. The behavior changes communication. So how you will change the behavior of the community? So behavior change communication can be defined as a process that motivates the people to adopt and sustain the healthy behavior and the lifestyle. So how you will change the behavior? Behavior means the process of motivation. Actually, whenever we have to motivate the people, to influence the people to adopt some kind of the policy and the procedure, okay, and हम कह सकते हैं कि also we teach the people in which direction means कौन सा डायरेक्शन है जिससे अपनी हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, कौन सा वे है जिससे अपनी हेल्थ को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं डिजीज कंडीशन से, ठीक है, और अपने एक हेल्दी लाइफ स्टाइल जी सकते हैं. तो इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन योर कम्युनिकेशन. सो through the communication also change your the behavior of the people. Say for examples, if any kind of the myths are present in the community, so first we have to understood by the whether it is a culture myths, whether the society myths, because एक होता है culture area जो particular culture से belong करते हैं वही चीज follow करते हैं, एक होता है social myths कि complete society ही उस चीज को follow करती है, ठीक है. तो first we have to find out the needs, okay, then on the basis of their perception हमने देखा कि वो क्या सोचते हैं उसके बारे में कि अगर वो कोई चीज फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो क्यों कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, उनसे उन्हें क्या बेनिफिट्स होता है और इसके अलावा उन्हें हार्म क्या होता है, ठीक है. we have to evaluate, analyze all these things, okay, then on the basis of these things we have to provide a health educations on the basis of their perceptions. जो उनका perception है उसको चेंज करने के लिए हम एक हेल्थ एजुकेशन प्रिपेयर करते हैं, ठीक है. तो हेल्थ एजुकेशन जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल बीच में क्या होता है बहुत ज्यादा रेप केसेस होने लग गए थे, है ना, तो उसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा नुक्कड़ नाटिका की गई थी और लोगों को अवेयर किया गया था, ठीक है, और इनिशिएट कहा गया था कि दे हैव टू स्पीक अप. या फिर आप कह सकते हो मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था आपको मेंस्ट्रुएशंस के लिए, स्टिल मेंस्ट्रुएशन जो है वो स्टिल अब भी वही मींस सेम कंडीशन तो नहीं है, लेकिन अब भी क्या है बहुत सी चीजें जो मिथ्स हैं फॉलो की जाती है एक सोशल बेसिस में, नॉट इन अ कल्चरल बेसिस, एक सोशल बेसिस में वो चीजें फॉलो की जाती हैं. तो हम पीपल्स को डायरेक्टली ये कहे कि नो दिस इज रॉन्ग और आप ये गलत करते हो, तो उनका बिहेवियर हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते ऐसे. वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड द कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन और उसके रिगार्डिंग हमें एक प्रैक्टिकल फॉर्म में उन्हें दिखाना है, ठीक है, कि अगर आप ऐसा करते हो तो इससे आपकी हेल्थ में क्या इफेक्ट्स आते हैं, ठीक है, और अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करते हो तो आपकी हेल्थ किस तरीके से इम्प्रूव होगी. सो एक प्रैक्टिकल फॉर्म में उन्हें बताते हैं सो दैट कि जो उनका परसेप्शन है जो बिहेवियर है वो एक राइट डायरेक्शन में जाए, ओके, एंड दे हैव टू मेंटेन देयर हेल्थ. नाउ द स्टेप फॉर द behavior communication, behavior change communication, the first is the analysis. Analysis means when we are collecting the data and analyze the data ki what is the exact need, how we will change the perception of the peoples, because हम किसी की perception change करने के लिए उन्हें force नहीं कर सकते, but yes हम उन्हें एक logic और evidence based things बता सकते हैं जिसके basis में people क्या करेंगे, they have to change their behavior. Okay, so this process is called the analysis process. In the analysis process we will collect the data or analyze the data, organize the data, analyze the data, ठीक है, कि actually किस चीज की need है. देन स्ट्रेटेजिक डिजाइन, हम क्या करते हैं डिजाइन बनाते हैं, ठीक है, स्ट्रेटेजिक डिजाइन बनाते हैं कि ये नीड है, हमें इस तरह की एजुकेशन देनी है, इसके लिए हमें इस तरह का मास मीडिया जो भी AV8 है वो यूज करना है, ठीक है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेवल ऑफ द कम्युनिटी, ठीक है, जिससे क्या होगे जो पेशेंट्स हैं या फिर आपके जो पब्लिक हैं जनरल पब्लिक हैं उनमें ये इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आएंगे. और ये मिथ्स क्या होंगे, मिथ्स जो हैं एकदम तो जाएंगे नहीं, स्लोली क्या होंगे वो रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे, ठीक है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या होता है स्ट्रेटेजीज बनाते हैं, कुछ रूल्स कुछ रेगुलेशंस, कुछ हम हेल्थ एजुकेशन देते हैं उन्हें, नुक्कड़ नाटिका के थ्रू उन्हें बताते हैं, या फिर हमने वीडियो दिखाए उन्हें, ठीक है, या फिर जो वो फॉलो कर रहे हैं उससे क्या हो सकता है और जिन्होंने वो चीज फॉलो की है वो क्या सफर कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, उन चीजों के बारे में उन्हें बताएं. तो सबकी स्ट्रेटेजीज हमने डेवलप करनी है कि किस तरीके से हमें अपनी एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करनी है सो दैट वी हैव टू चेंज देयर परसेप्शन देयर बिहेवियर. डेवलपमेंट एंड द प्री टेस्टिंग, ठीक है, अब हम क्या करना है स्ट्रेटेजीज को क्या करेंगे, डिजाइन हमने कर दिया, अब हम उसे डेवलप करेंगे स्ट्रेटेजीज को, ठीक है। डेवलप करने के बाद हमें प्री टेस्ट करना है। प्री टेस्ट का मतलब होता है कि इम्प्लीमेंट करने से पहले हम 5 और 10 पीपल्स के ऊपर वो इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं कि एक्चुअली ये वर्क करेगा या नहीं करेगा, रादर देन कि डायरेक्टली हम एक मास मतलब एक बंच में पब्लिक को अवेयर करने के 5 और 10 पीपल के ऊपर वो जो हमने स्ट्रेटेजीज बनाई हैं उससे हम क्या करते हैं, इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं। ठीक है। इम्प्लीमेंटेशन एंड द मॉनिटरिंग, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करेंगे, उसे मॉनिटर करेंगे कि उससे क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट आ रहे हैं। हमने पीपल को, हमने फीमेल्स को बताया दैट दे हैव टू व्हेनेवर दे गेट द menstruation, the ovulation cycle, so they have to use the proper pad. Okay, they have to change the pad in 3 or the minimum 3 to 4 hours. Okay, whether they having a heavy bleeding or not. Okay, and as well as if they having a heavy bleeding or imbalance of the menstrual cycle, they have to go for the hospital for the further treatment also. Okay, and also we have to educate the females regarding the wash. Wash means गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक वॉश टेक्निक निकाला था जिसमें उन्होंने बताया कि you have to maintain your hand hygiene and the hygiene of the perineal area or your body, your hand hygiene, and this is very important for the prevention of the disease condition during the time of the menstruation. ठीक है। एंड देन यू हैव टू इवेलुएट कि जो आपने स्टडीज उनको दी हैं, जो उन्हें अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, आपने मॉनिटर किया, फिर इवेलुएट करोगे कि कितना आपको सक्सेस मिला है। ठीक है। सो दिस इज द बिहेवियर चेंज behavior change communication program. Okay, so these many steps we have to follow during the behavior change communication program. यानी कि through the communication हम एक behavior कैसे change कर सकते हैं किसी person का, group का या फिर mass का, community का। ठीक है। Now we will discuss about the health education agencies. Okay, so you have learned about the health education agencies in communication, I think, right? Yes or no? नेशनल इंटरनेशनल हेल्थ एजेंसीज के बारे में पढ़ा है आपने?
No, ma'am.
स्पीक अप स्टूडेंट।
No, ma'am.
So international level agencies, health agencies क्या होती हैं? The health agency is the agency to that providing the health care facility to the public to upgrade their health, to maintain their health, and prevention of different kind of disease condition. These health agencies are the national, the international level. There are so many international level as health agencies are work in the India for providing the health facility in a major health issues like maternal mortality rate. For the reduction of the maternal mortality rate, so many health agencies are work, and they are providing a free of cost facility to the women so that the women are delivered in the hospital only rather than the home. Same like that the child, the infant mortality rate. For the reduction of the infant mortality rate, the national, the international health agency, they are providing a different kind of the health facility. They are supplying a different kind of the nutritional therapy or the nutritional programs. Okay, and provide nutritional, आप कह सकते हो कि nutritional supplement to the child. Okay, so that we have to prevent the infant mortality rate as well as to maintain the health of the children. Okay, so these are the international level and the national level. International यानी कि जो आपकी out of nation है, ठीक है, जो हमारे यहाँ वर्क करती हैं, they are providing the health facility. Nation यानी कि अपनी इंडिया की जो health agencies हैं जो यहाँ पे वर्क करती हैं, they are find out the need of the peoples. On the basis of the need, they are organizing one program. Okay, and on the basis of these programs, they are providing the health facility and the nutrition supplement to the public, especially the rural public, the hilly public, also the poor publics. Okay, those are not reach out the health facilities. Understood? So these agencies are the international level agencies, the International Union for the Health Education, the health promotion, HE, health education, health promotion, WHO. डिवीजन ऑफ द पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन एंड द पब्लिक रिलेशन, दैट इज WHO। ठीक है, तो ये आपके इंटरनेशनल लेबल एजेंसीज हैं जो क्या करती हैं, इंटरनेशनल लेवल से ये एजेंसीज के जो वर्कर्स द मेंबर्स हैं ये वर्क करते हैं और ये प्रोवाइड करते हैं हेल्थ एजुकेशन रिगार्डिंग द करंट प्रॉब्लम्स। ओके, हेल्थ एजुकेशन, द हेल्थ प्रमोशंस, एंड WHO also continues their means they are providing a different kind of the health facility in a different country, okay, on the basis of the need and the current problems. Okay, division of the public information and the public relations, the same like that. Now the national level, in the national level, Central Health Education Bureau under the ministry and the broadcasting different division units are playing the important part in providing the health education to the community. So these are the national levels committee to the providing the health education regarding the problem or the current problem occur in the society. Okay. Now the Central Health Education Bureau. So what is the aim of the Central Health Education Bureau? To make the available facility of the communication for the health education, so that they have to provide the health education to the public. They are providing the health facilities. Okay. To carry out the training and the research in the health education. So they have to conduct the health education, the training program for the health persons. Okay, like 1 day training program, 2 day training program, 3 day training program, and they have to provide the updated knowledge to the health person, and these health person are providing the health education in different areas to exchange the latest information about the development and the program, and whatever the update in a according to the research in the health department, they have to they have to provide these information to the health persons. Okay, so that the health person also aware regarding these things to the public. To publish and to distribute the various health bulletin, magazine, and the information. Also, they have to distribute a different kind of they have to provide the different kind of the information through the different channel. जैसे magazine के through देना या online media के through देना या फिर आपके televisions के through provide करना. ठीक है. To provide the technical support to the center and the state health services and the various health organizations. So technical support they also providing, so that the whatever the information we have to provide, we want to provide to the public, it should be a we should be achieve this goal. So the achieving this goal, they have to provide a technical support also. Okay, like मास मीडिया अवेलेबल करवाना, एविएट्स अवेलेबल करवाना, या जिस मीडिया के थ्रू आप दे रहे हो उस चीज की अवेलेबिलिटी करवाना. ठीक है, ऑनलाइन अपडेशन फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करवाना, कम्युनिकेशन चैनल क्रिएट करना, ये सारी चीजें प्रोवाइड करता है. सेंट्रल हेल्थ एजुकेशन ब्यूरो, द डिवीजन इज ट्रेनिंग डिवीजन, publicity divisions, editorial divisions, health education division, regional study division, exhibition center division, professional syllabus division, research and evaluation divisions. Okay, so these are the divisions. Training division जो training करवाते हैं, publicity division जो publicity करते हैं किसी particular informations की, editorial division जो editorial करते हैं, health education division जो health education provide करते हैं, regional study division जो particular need के basis में study करते हैं. ठीक है. Then the exhibition center division जो कहते हैं exhibition conduct कराते हैं या आपकी मीडिया वगैरह जो अवेलेबल करवाते हैं. प्रोफेशनल सिलेबस डिवीजन, प्रोफेशनल सिलेबस डिवीजन मींस दीज हेल्थ आल्सो, आपने देखा होगा आप अपनी सिलेबस में बहुत सी चीजें लर्न करते हो. अपडेट जो इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, जैसे हमारा वॉल्यूम अपडेशन होती है, उस पर न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन जाती है. तो ये सारी चीजें कहाँ से होती है? प्रोफेशनल सिलेबस डिवीजन, यानी कि जो भी प्रोफेशनल, जो भी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट के जो प्रोफेशनल सिलेबस हैं उनमें वो सारी चीजें एडिटिंग करवाना. रिसर्च एंड इवैल्यूएटिंग डिवीजन, ऑल्सो वी हैव टू कंडक्ट द different kind of the research and evaluate these research and make one evidence, and on the basis of these evidence we have to provide the information to the public. Okay, now the under the ministry and the broadcasting different division of the unit, the press information bureau, director of the field publicity, director of the advertising and the visual publicity, Prasar Bharati, songs and drama division, national medical library. Okay, in a state level education bureau, IEC bureau under the health ministry, beside the state agencies, Division being unit of the Central Health Education Agency. District level में all district level of the health officers, family planning officers. RCH क्या है? What is RCH? Reproductive Child Health. Okay. RCH wings, District Information Center, District Collector. In a local level in the cities, municipal corporation, development authorities, in a village level, panchayat, block development officer. Beside these various NGO, voluntary organization, health and nursing professionals. So these in the local level, according to that, we have to provide the health education. In the district level, these many ways we have to provide the health education. At state level, these many ways we have to provide the health education. Understood? Now, what is the nurse's responsibility in the IEC? Information, education, and the communication. So the nurse's responsibility in the IEC is the nurse should consider the following point in the health education. As the first is to gain the confidence of the people. Because I told you, communication is very important, and you have to build up through the communication. We have to build up the trustworthy relationship in between the individual and the health person, right? So first of all, we have to get the confidence of the people. When the people are confident in us, then only they are following whatever we have to instruct the people. To arouse the interest in people about the health, the good health. Okay, so how you will arouse the interest among the peoples? Through your interesting health education, like using a different kind of the mass media. Natika, you have to means explain the health education by the Nukra Natika, and use a different kind of the audio visual aids, so that the people are creating interest. Also you have to coordinate with the peoples and participate the peoples in your health education. Okay, means a kind of discussion to motivate them to bring about the changes in the habit for the life, healthy life. Okay, so you have to motivate the each individual or the group or the community. They have to change their habits to maintain their health. Okay, to prepare them to utilize of the available health services. Okay, so you have to prepare them, or you have to provide the information regarding the what kind of the health facility are available in the government or the private sector, and they have to utilize. Okay, how they will reach these facilities for maintaining their health. To develop in a sense of the responsibility among the people toward the good health of the whole community. Okay, so it's a individual responsibility toward their health. Yesterday I told you that if each individual are understood about their own responsibility about their health, then there is no need to means again to motivate to the peoples. Okay, so this is very important. You have to motivate to the people so that they have to understood their health responsibility, because health is the first priority of each individual, right? Nurse's responsibility, Nancy, another is a friendly and the cooperative feeling should be kept for the health education. Okay, so friendly and cooperative का मतलब यहाँ पे है कि if they are asking any query, means they are asking any question, if they having any query, so not only the health education you are providing, you have to means sort out these many queries and these many questions also. Okay, you have to do the proper communicate with the patient, and you have to involve in your health education patient also. Okay, what are their views? The opportunity for the health education should be widely used. So not only the one area you have to provide the health education, you have to provide this information to all the level of the health sector. Okay, it is necessary to select the subject matter closely. The nurse should be the proficient in art in the incident and the timely health education. Okay, it is necessary to use the appropriate audiovisual aid and enhance the effect of the health. So this is very important. So, but on the basis of the need, you have to prepare your content. You have to prepare your content so that you have to fulfill all the need of the people. Okay, and for that you have to use the appropriate mass media communication channel. Okay, then the sufficient preparation and the cooperation of the government and the voluntary agencies, Central Health Education Bureau, State Health Education Bureau, Director of the Audiovisual publicity, local leader, teacher, health workers, it's okay. So in सबका sufficient preparation, I mean the sufficient preparation, the cooperation जो भी आपके हायर लेवल में या स्टेट लेवल में या लोकल लेवल में या विलेज लेवल में जितने भी आपके हेल्थ एजेंसीज हैं, ठीक है, इन सब से कॉपरेट करके करते हैं, हेल्थ एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ठीक है. Now this is necessary to remove the various obstacle in the communications. Okay, so you have to remove the obstacle of the communication so that the each people are reach out these health facilities. Okay, the health education should be planned and the continuous. So it should not be stopped like that. Ki today you have to provide the health education, tomorrow you should not provide the health education. Still, जब तक कि वो problem sort out नहीं होती है, तो हम goal achieve नहीं करते. Still, we are day by day updation providing regarding that particular problems to the community. Okay. So periodically evaluation and expected correlation of the health education program with the help of the various tools and observational also the responsibility of a nurse. Okay. So this is very important. Whatever the information you have to provide to the community, you have to evaluate, you have to correlate what is the relation, whether they have to follow or not, and when kind of the obstacle they are facing that they are not following these information, then you have to find out these obstacle, and on the basis of these obstacle, again you have to provide the health education. This is your responsibility. You have to observe your tools, your program. Okay, and this is important. So your IAC is complete. Do you have any doubt?